Hello, what's up my people? What's up Nigeria? What's up Africa? Hope I meet una wella. How na day today? And it's your girl Mandy on Okafor Radio 99.5 FM. You know, as we always they do am na every Friday, we get a special show where we go bring the perfect guest for you. As it be, the person what would they bring on today, I'm sure most of you listeners already know her due to the circumstances surrounding her name. But you know, as they do am now, make honor of matter, Tokamasibi. Join me as we welcome the one and only Cynthia Mbokwe. Cynthia, hey, today you look, I don't want to talk too much. I reserve my comment. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much. And you look great as well.
Yeah, thank you. You know what, Cynthia? You go do me one small favor. You go give us small, not be plenty, that brief introduction of yourself.
Okay. Hi, guys. As you all know, my name is Cynthia Mbokwe, the only daughter of Pastor and Pastor Mrs. Mbokwe of Dynamic Assemblies of Christ Church. And I'm a lawyer who is running a PhD in common law. I'm running a PhD program in common law, and I'm also a practicing lawyer. Yeah.
And I don't hear Amabi. You know, with all the plenty grammar, I no go add another grammar, join the one where they already did down. With that, you all listeners can tell that we have a very important personality in our midst. The pedigree of the personality we have here is nothing to joke with. And I'm sure we are ready to dive into our stories. Listeners, you can give them more gist about yourself, and you know definitely your story will inspire a whole lot of people.
Thank you so much. I'm honored.
All right, now we go small break, and after the break we go come back because Miss Cynthia here, she still tanda inside studio. She get plenty gist to give us. Not go anywhere, not change the station. No, it is still Okafor Radio 99.5.
Then those people who are carry drop, are they still inside?
Those guys, Abi?
Yes.
They no dig in, they don't come out. Check your time, now time don't go.
And I'm going very far. I need just one passenger that will take me along.
Stand small now, maybe person feed.
Mom, I have not seen you since morning, so I came to greet you. Yes, Mom. Mom, I'll be going out later today, so I want to ask for your permission. Yes, Mom. Mommy, if there is anything you want me to do for you, please let me know. Yes, Mom. Okay. Thank you, Mom.
You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy.
John!
Madam! Yes, ma'am.
Listen up. I don't want Cynthia out of this house without my consent. Do you hear that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If you don't adhere to this, you will lose your job. You
Madam.
get that?
Yes, ma'am.
John, what are you doing?
What is that?
Okay.
What is that?
You need money.
Which money? I can't take money from you. I cannot take money from you.
Are you trying to...
John! Shut that gate.
Hi, Mom.
Go back inside.
Please don't start, Mom. I told you I was going out and you didn't object. Now I'm set to go out. You're telling me to go back inside.
Look, Cynthia, I will have you contained before you embarrass me. Do you hear that?
I'm not an animal, Mom. If you had spent time with me, you would know that. Or if you had given me siblings, you would know that. Ah!
You do not embarrass me. Neither will I let you drag my name to the mud. Do you hear that, young woman? Look, Cynthia, don't give people reasons to talk about me. Don't give them reasons to criticize me, young woman. Otherwise, I disown you.
I would prefer that. I want to be my dad.
Look at her. See. Oh, do you think your dad wants you? If your dad wanted you, I wouldn't have you. Sense. Like father, like daughter. Look at her. Go live with your dad.
Next episode on My True Story.
Like shaku shaku, you like going out. I know you guys very well. You will not read for exam. That's why some of you used to have carryover. Who's that sleeping in my class? Cynthia, what happened?
I'm sorry, Ma.
I said, what happened?